Hi, welcome to our channel. Right now, I am with real hero Sonu Sood ji. So, Sonu Sood ji,
Namaskar, sir.
namaskar. So, first of all, with your permission, can I touch your feet?
No, please, don't do it. I think your wishes and your blessings will be more than enough.
So, first of all, సంతోషం మ్యాగజైన్కి ఒక్కసారి విష్ చేయండి.
Santosham is a very, very special magazine for me. I got my award, a very special award from Santosham magazine, and it's still in my room. Every day I see that trophy and I feel proud of it.
Oh, super. So, Sonu ji, so right now, what we are living in this society, for example, myself, I am giving to 100 rupees for my friend also, I think 100 times. But you are giving crores of rupees for people. So, ఎలా వచ్చింది మీకు ఆ మనసు ఎలా వచ్చింది?
It started with a very small journey of distributing 150 food packets, ration packets to someone. I gave those ration packets and I thought, okay, my job is done. Corona, I have done my bit. I thought like that.
Okay.
But next day, more people called. I went out and next day more people, they started multiplying. In week 10 days, there were almost 2,000 people calling me every day for food and all. So I started giving fruits, and that's the first time when the migrant movement started. And I knew that I have to help them reach back to their homes, and I went all the way. And now from giving them employment to taking care of their medical, to giving them food, to giving them education, everything I am now in. I don't know how it's going to stop. My director was asking me, it's every day hundreds of people come there to see you on the sets. How are you going to take it? So I don't know. I thought God has guided me to do all this, and God will guide me to take this forward.
Do you feel like there is lot of people, they will come at industry as a hero, but in real hero, but you are the real hero? How do you feel? But you are not doing as a real hero also in this industry, but you are the, right now you are the real hero for society.
No, thank you. I think this is a bigger compliment. Cinema is what you play in the character is short-lived, that stays for 2.5 hours, but what you play in real life stays forever. So I'm enjoying my new role, and I think I'm getting a lot of prayers, wishes from people, and I think that's what I need.
So when you go for Wikipedia, a lot of people, they are always treat like I am film producer, I am actor, I am model, I am director. But right now you are having NDCP, I think, gave the best
I said,
humanitarian award.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was given the
in this Wikipedia also, that humanitarian is very exciting for myself also.
Yeah.
How do you feel, Sonuji?
I don't know. It was God's plan. I don't know. I haven't seen also that humanitarian it's written, but it happened in life. I don't know. People are making departments in the colleges and in the universities on my name, on humanitarians, on ethics. A lot of things people are doing it. So I think that's their way of showing love to me. But that makes me also nervous, that I have to live up to their expectations, and I will keep on doing my good.
Just you can imagine, you can see anybody's Wikipedia, they're having I got national award for this film, I got a Saima award for this film, I got Nandi award for this film, but nobody don't have to humanitarian award.
Yeah.
I think you are the only one right now having, and future also nobody we don't have.
No, I feel more people should have it, so that they should come forward and help others. But I'm proud that I got United Nations Humanitarian Award.
SDP.
Yeah, UNDP.
UNDP.
And it was very
United
special.
Nation Development Award.
Yeah.
Development program.
So I feel there is some force, some blessing that is helping me reach where I want to.
Okay. Right now, what are you are doing help, and most of the Tollywood and Bollywood and Sandalwood, where are you are working? Their heroes also, they are having very jealous for you right now, because the credit goes to all Sonuji right now. So ఆ jealous ఏమన్నా కనపడుతుందా మీకు ఎప్పుడన్నా? ఎవరన్నా ఫోన్ చేసి they are feeling like jealous?
No, I don't
Sonu,
think so.
you are doing fantastic job. You take entire the award for in this life.
No, I don't know. I think they must be. I don't know. They must be feeling proud. I guess that what I've done. But it's not about what they feel. It's about what 130 crore people in India feel. They are my real heroes. They are my people whom I connect every day, every minute. They are the people whom I can hear what their problem is. So I think I work for them, and that's what matters.
Okay. So many people, they are doing help for people when they are need, but pandemic situation, few of the people, they are doing fantastic job that you are doing right now.
I feel pandemic is something that taught us lots to do in life, made us better human beings, and just want to tell everyone that just keep on doing good and keep on inspiring others, and that's what I can wish for everyone. Yeah.
ఓ తెలుగులో కూడా మీరు చాలా మందితో వర్క్ చేశారు, లైక్ మహేష్ బాబు, అల్లు అర్జున్. ఎప్పుడన్నా ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పారా ఏంటి ఇంత పాండమిక్లో కూడా ఇంటి బయటకు వచ్చి యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ జాబ్, మాకు చాలా జలస్గా ఉంది, సిగ్గుగా ఉంది అని ఫీల్ అయ్యారు ఎవరన్నా?
No, they are friends, they must be feeling proud, and just want to tell them hopefully I see you very very soon on the sets, and just keep the good work going, and want to send a lot of blessings to everyone and a lot of love to everyone.
సోనుజీ ఫ్యూచర్లో పాలిటిక్స్లోకి వచ్చి సంపాదించడం కోసం ఇప్పుడు ఇంత హెల్ప్ చేశారు. సో దట్స్ ద రీజన్ స్క్రీన్ ఆఫ్ ద స్క్రీన్ ఈ హ్యాస్
No, I'm not interested in politics. I'm enjoying sitting with you. This is a better platform to sit and speak our heart out. So just want to tell everyone that thank you so much for loving me. A lot of wishes to everyone and all the listeners. Just keep the good work going. Just stay blessed and send a lot of love to people and make this world a better place. Let's help change the world. Love to everyone.